Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're having a great week. And today I want to show you how to make Venezuelan polvorosas. These are a crumbly, melt in your mouth biscuits, very traditional in Venezuela's Creole cuisine. So let's jump straight onto the recipe. So the first thing that we need to do is mix all of the ingredients in a bowl. Using a fork or a pastry cutter, start to break the shortening to start making the dough. Then, using your hands, continue to knead until the dough is compact enough so you can form a ball. Once the dough is done, we start to make the balls for the cookies, and I like to use a spoon to measure out how much to use per cookies so they all come roughly the same size. Place all the cookies on a baking tray with parchment paper, leaving 2 centimeters between each cookie as these will rise whilst baking. From this recipe, I make 20 cookies. With a knife, make a small cross cut on top of each cookie, and this is just to give it the traditional look of the cookie. You don't have to do it. I also made other ones without it, but this is very traditional. After they've been rested for 5 minutes on the tray, place them on a cooling rack until they are fully cool. Then sprinkle over some icing sugar so they look beautiful and they add another extra touch of sweetness. And these cookies are great to have with tea or coffee, or if you like something sweet in the morning. And they last about a week. I like to put them in an airtight container, and they last for approximately a week. And these are my Venezuelan polvorosas. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share. Please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about the recipe, leave your comments below. Don't forget you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest as Mi Terruño Food. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Buen provecho.